discrete data anymore. In the last exercise, we either had a value of 1, 2, 3, or 4. In this exercise, we're given a interval. Okay. Now, what an interval is that what it's basically saying is that 12 people got between 0 and 2. 9 people got in between 2 and 4. Now, you could make the argument that if I got 2 as an answer, if I score 2, do I go from 0 to 2 or 2 to 4? The answer is the lower one is always included. So 2 goes here, any 4s go here, any 6s go here. It's always the lower interval that you go in. The upper interval is always the cutoff point. So for example, the last thing that can go in here will be 1.999. The minute it turns into 2 or rounds off to 2, it has to go up. Okay? Now, what we're looking at here, guys, is I want to find the median, the mean, the mode, and the median. Okay? Mean, mode, median. Okay, we'll start off with the easy one. Can anybody tell me what's the modal interval? The mode. 0 to 2. Okay. Can anybody tell me where does the median lie? How many do we have in total? 21, 27, 30. 30 people. Divided by 2. 15th and 16th. Where are the 15th and 16th person? 2 to 4. Okay. Finally. Shh. There's a word here. You don't have to learn this off because this should make sense. What do you think mid-interval means? Thank you. If these are the intervals, what do you think the mid-interval is? The middle of those values. Now, there's a really easy way of doing it. Those ones are easy. You can just do them by looking at them. They're that easy. But there's a little rule here, okay? And I'll show you the rule. The really easy way to get the middle of two numbers is add both numbers together, divide by 2. 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 divided by 2, 7. Now, all of a sudden, you have what you did in the last exercise. You're now dealing with calculating the mean, but it's very easy to do it. 1 times 12, 12. 3 times 9, 27. 6 times 5, 3 times 7. All divided by, how many people did we say we had again? 30. 57. 57 plus 33 is 90. 90 divided by 30, 3. You understand this is the same type of question, right? Now, the only tricky part would be getting the middle, the interval middles. So 5 plus 15, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 15 plus 35, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 35 plus 45, 80. 80 divided by 2, 40. 60. 45 plus 75 is 120. 120 divided by 2, 60. And you do what you did last time, okay? I'll only do question 9 now, and that's the last one I'll do, okay? Survey of 80 students. This automatically means that all of these numbers here must add to what? 80. Okay. Now, 0 to 8 means that 0 is included, but 8 isn't. Therefore, 16 to 20 means that 16 is included, but 24 isn't. That's what that means, okay? Taking the amounts at the mid-interval values, show that the mean amount of money spent per student was €22.80. Okay, guys, so what's the, that's going to be 4, 12, 20, what's that, 28, and 36. Will you guys multiply these out? Because I don't actually know all of these in my head. So, will you multiply the last two? Somebody pick one of them, somebody pick the other one. So it's 32 plus 144 plus 400. What's 28 by 24? 672. And 36 by 16? Okay, will you add all them up together? And I'll just get the next question. What we have here is 1,700 and what? 824 divided by 80, and what do we get? 22.8? Shh. Shh. Average of 22.8. Yes? What? 80 on the bottom? Yeah, it is meant to be a 0. Okay. Shh. Shh. Excuse me. Shh. The money amount in euro is continuous variable. Would you agree or disagree with your statement? Justify your answer. The money in euro. We spend most school canteen. Now, it's not. I'd actually argue that money is discrete, and I'll tell you why. Remember we said shoe sizes. Remember we all know that 1 goal, 2 goals, 3 goals, 4 goals. We all know that's discrete data. You either score 1 or you score 2. You happy enough with that? Okay. Now, the next thing is that when you're talking about shoe sizes, you're either a 6.5, a 7, a 7.5. A 7.3 doesn't exist, does it? Once again, there's clear, distinct steps, still discrete. Now, what about money as an example? €3.11, €3.12. Does anything exist in between €3.11 and €3.12? No. Therefore, money is considered discrete. Now, if you're asking me about height as an example, if I said, does anything exist in between 144.4 centimeters and 144.5 centimeters? Yes, 144.41, 42, 43, 44. I can keep subdividing forever. There's always going to be another measurement in between them. But money is a man-made concept. Shoe size is a man-made concept. So these things can only go up in certain amounts. Okay? Now,